Alright guys, we're gonna be making frozen Eggo waffles without the toaster. None of that. So let me show you guys. These are the regular ones, but we want some of these ones. Hold on. Right here. See them chocolate chip. Alright, hold on. Alright, we could go. We got the pan right here. We could turn it. You don't gotta do. No, let me see. You can do it like halfways a little bit. We could do a little more than that. Alright, we're gonna get some butter. Hold on, we can use this one here. Hold on. That. Might as well take this out right here. You know, light syrup. Alright, that's what we're gonna do. We'll let that heat up a little bit. Pan right there. So you need this, your waffles, butter, syrup, and then a pan. So let me show you. I figured this out myself. I didn't look at no videos or nothing. I don't know if anybody does this. Oh, let me see. Look. So you would get butter. You butter both of these sides, this side and that side, both of the sides. And yeah, hold on. There you go. I got one side. I'm gonna butter both of the waffles on both sides. Alright guys, so there you go. We buttered both sides. It's kind of crazy, but I love butter, so it's all good. Bam. So put that back. I'll show you guys. Take one of the waffles. Look at that. Now I have to lower it a little bit. Look at that. You will never have waffles in the toaster ever again. Trust. Alright, there you go. Don't let them sit. Actually throw this away. Got that going. Let's get where the spatula at? No? Oh, it's dirty. Hold on. Let me think of something real quick. We can do this, you know what I'm saying? Got them tongs. I said tongs. We got tongs. Woo! Alright guys, you see this? Let me flip this over. Look at this, boys. Look at that. Tell me that does not look fire. Chocolate chip. You could use this with the regular ones too. I got the regular ones right here, but we're not gonna have those today. Got my thongs right here. Gotta make sure they don't burn, because if they burn, it's game over. They don't taste good. I say maybe like, depending on how the flame is, like a minute and 10 seconds on each side. And you solid. Also, depending if you like soft waffles. If you like crunchy waffles, it's not gonna work for you. They don't come out crunchy. Alright guys, I think that's good. Let me take that out. Man, should this be a thumbnail? Oh no. Alright guys, don't forget to turn the flame off. You don't want to burn your house down. Got this right here. Got that. Throw some more butter in there. Hold on, boys, hold on. Right. Look at that. Tell me that does not look fire. You should try it. You won't ever go back to the toaster ever again. I never use it. Yeah, that's how you make frozen waffles on, what do you call this, a skillet? On a pan, on a stove. Alright guys, subscribe to me if you like the video. If you want to learn more secret recipes, you know. Alright man, peace out.